Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Verma and today I am going to explain about Nifty 50. What is Nifty 50? Nifty 50 is nothing but it contains 50 stocks with different sectors of companies. And these companies listed on the National Stock Exchange. It's known as NSE and it is one of the main stock indices used in India for trading and investment purpose. And another main stock indices is used in India is BSE Sensex, Bombay Stock Exchange. Our daily stock market is based on the Nifty 50, whether it reaches high, low, and bearish or bullish. And now we are going to discuss how many sectors present in the Nifty 50 and weightage of the stocks given to this. Nifty 50 contains a 50 companies index reflecting overall market conditions. That nothing but in these 50 companies, the market will react according to the 50 companies' highs, lows, and moves. Nifty 50 can be used for a variety of purposes, such as benchmarking fund portfolios, launching of index funds, ETFs, and structured products. And next, Nifty 50 launched date April 22, 1996, with the base value of 1000. As I said, it contains different types of sectors and different types of companies. Here the sector representation, that means nothing but weightage of the sectors. Here financial services 37.58% and IT sector 18.01%, oil and gas 11.39%, consumer goods 11.05%, automobile with 4.58%, metals 3.75%, pharma 3.46%, construction 2.72%, cement and cement products 2.50%, telecom 2.11%, power 1.55%, services 0.74%, fertilizers and pesticides 0.55%. These are the sectors, weightage of sectors. And next in Nifty 50, top companies by weightage. Reliance Industries with 9.83%, HDFC 9.29%, Infosys 8.52%, Housing Development Finance Corporation 6.79%, ICICI Bank 6.70%, Tata Consultancy Services 5.28%, Kotak Mahindra Bank 3.46%, Hindustan Unilever 3.27%, Axis Bank 2.73%, Larsen & Toubro 2.72%. Index will react according to these companies. And next, here from the starting of the index 1996 to 2022, now index has reached up to 2500 to 17500. And key indices of Nifty: broad market sectorial indices, thematic indices, strategy indices, fixed income like Nifty 50, Nifty Bank. These both are common indexes which more trading activity takes place. And now we are going to discuss 50 companies name and sector and symbol. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, service sector, and symbol is Adani Ports. Asian Paints Limited, consumer goods. Now symbol you can see beside of those sector, and I will explain those companies. Axis Bank, financial services. Bajaj Auto Limited, automobile sector. Bajaj Finance, financial services. Bajaj Finserv, financial services. Bharat Petroleum Corporation, BPC, BPCL, oil and gas. Bharati Airtel, telecom sector. As we know, Bharati Airtel is. And next, Britannia Industries, consumer goods. Britannia biscuits, we all know that. And Cipla, pharma industries. Coal India, metals. Davis Laboratories, pharma. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, pharma. Eicher Motors, automobile. Eicher Motors is nothing but we are saying DCMs like that. Grazing Industries, cement and cement products. HCL Technologies, IT. HCL All we know laptops and in IT sector also. HDFC Bank, Financial Service. HDFC Life Insurance, Financial Service. Hero Motor Cup, Automobile. Hero Honda, Hero Bikes, not Honda. Hindalco Industries, Metals. Hindustan Unilever, Consumer Goods. Housing Development Finance Corporation, Financial Services. ICICI Bank, Financial Services. ITC, Consumer Goods. Indian Oil Corporation, Oil and Gas. Indusland Bank, Financial Services. Infosys, IT. JSW Steel, Metals. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Financial Services. Larsen and Toubro, Construction. Mahindra and Mahindra, Automobile. Maruti Suzuki India, Automobile. NTPC, Power. Nestle India, Consumer Goods. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Oil and Gas. Power Grid Corporation, Power. Reliance Industries, Oil and Gas. Reliance Industries, Ambani. As we know, Geo, Reliance Petrol Pumps and Stores. SBI Life Insurance Company, Financial Services. Shree Cement, Cement and Cement Products. State Bank of India, Financial Services. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Pharma. Tata Consultancy Services, IT. Tata Consumer Products, Consumer Goods. Tata Motors, Automobile. Tata Steel, Metals. Tech Mahindra, IT. Titan Company, Consumer Goods. UPL, Fertilizers and Pesticides. Ultratech Cement, Cement and Cement Products. Wipro, IT company. These are the 50 companies and its sectors and its symbol. And these all are in the series of equity series. I will give this Excel sheet on description. Now I want to show how to download this data. Type NSC on Google. And next, open the first site. Go to About, NSC Indices, and here NSC Indices Publications, and download this data. Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty 50. Here we can find this PDF. And in this you can download Bank Nifty also in the sectorial region. Here thematic, strategy and fixed income. This is how we can find data from NSE website.